Hello everyone, welcome to Lulu Chinese. Today we are learning one of the most useful skills in any language, how to introduce yourself naturally in Chinese. Whether you are meeting someone for the first time, joining a class, or making new friends online, these expressions will help you sound friendly and confident. We will start with a short conversation and then go over keywords and grammar so you can make your own self-introduction. Ready? Let's begin. 你好，你好，我叫 Mike，你呢？我叫露露，很高兴认识你。我也很高兴认识你。你是哪里人？我来自中国，你呢？我来自美国。Now, let's review our keywords in this conversation. Number 1, 你好 means hello. This one is the most common Chinese greeting. You can use it when you meet someone for the first time or just say hi politely. Number 2, 我叫 means my name is. This term used to introduce your name. 我 means I, and 叫 means to be called. For example, 我叫露露 means my name is Lulu. Number 3, 你呢 means what about you? This term used to ask the same question back to someone. For example, 我叫露露，你呢 means my name is Lulu, and you? Number 4, 也 means too. This term is used to show something is the same for both people. For example, 我也很好 means I'm good too. Number 5, 哪里 means where. This term actually is a question word used to ask about places. For example, 你是哪里人 means where are you from? Number 6, 来自 means from. This term is used to tell where you come from, similar to come from. For example, 我来自中国 I'm from China. Number 7, 高兴 which means happy. This term used to describes a feeling of happiness or pleasure. Literally means very happy to know you, often used in greetings. For example, 很高兴认识你 means nice to meet you. Number 8, 认识 means know. This term means to know someone as a person or to meet someone for the first time. For example, 我认识他 means I know him. After talking about the keywords, now let's move on to the grammar focus. The first one, 我叫 means my name is, or you could say 我是 means I am. In Chinese, both 我叫 and 我是 can be used to introduce yourself. 我叫 literally means I'm called and is the most natural way to say your name when meeting someone for the first time. 我是 means I am, and is often used when you want to confirm your identity. For example, on the phone or in a meeting you could say, 我是露露 I am Lulu. But 我是 can also be used in many other expressions, which can be summarized as follows. 我是 use it to tell your identity, job, or nationality. This is the structure. 我是 plus noun or nationality or job. For example, 我是老师 means I am a teacher. Another example, 我是中国人 means I am Chinese. Some tip for learners. 是 is the linking verb in Chinese, similar to am, is, are in English. Now let's move on to the second grammar focus. 很 which means very. 很 literally means very, but in Chinese sentences, it often just makes the sentence sound natural. Here is the structure. Subject plus 很 plus adjective. For example, 我很高兴 which means I'm happy. Not always very happy, just natural. Another example. 他很忙 He's busy. Here are some tips for learners. In English, you can say, I'm happy. But in Chinese, you usually add 很. If you just say, 我高兴, it sounds incomplete or like a comparison. I'm happier than someone else, which is not natural. But if you add 很, 我很高兴, you can make this sentence sound smooth and complete. And if you enjoyed learning with me, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will take you on a journey to learn more real useful Chinese. I've also prepared a complete free PDF for you to review everything we learned. You can download it from the link in the description below. Okay, after all the keywords and grammar explanation, now let's read the conversation once more. 你好，你好，我叫麦克，你呢？我叫露露，很高兴认识你。我也很高兴认识你。你是哪里人？我来自中国，你呢？我来自美国。And don't forget to practice out loud. I will see you in my next lesson. Bye.